My name is Ron Pyle. For 33 years, I was privileged to teach in the departments of communication and theology at Whitworth University. One of the courses I got to create and teach is small group ministry. That course and the teaching I do through biblical training is predicated on the fact that God has always existed in community, and we, being made in God's image, exist to be in community as well. Throughout the history of faith, one of the ways that God has grown individuals and communities is through small groups. So I'm excited to talk with you in these 9 lessons about some of the most important principles of small group life. Over the course of 9 sessions, we'll take up topics such as how you start small groups, the qualities and behaviors of effective small group leaders, the predictable life stages through which groups move, how you promote intimacy in your group by personal sharing, how you lead discussion, and how you manage conflict in groups. Here's my heart's desire. I want God's kingdom to be built, and I want you to be equipped to be effective leaders and group members. Welcome to our class.